In today's video, we're gonna talk about a broker that has $5 as a minimum deposit. It's fully regulated, and more importantly, it's super trusted to use. Yes, in this video, we're gonna talk about XM, the Forex broker I've been using probably the longest in the Forex trading world. Hey everyone, Christian here on YouTube, and welcome to a brand new video for the channel. Today, people, we are talking about the XM broker. Yes, a broker that I've been using for like around 6 or 7 years now, and that's still super trusted and has a $5 minimum deposit. So yeah, let's go ahead and start with it. All right, so first of all, what is XM? XM is this broker that you see right here. I'm gonna have the link to it in the description of this video, but this broker itself is incredibly popular. And you can see by the pictures, even inside of the actual trading plant or the website, they have incredible amount of events. They have personal, like, how can I put it, like human beings in different events around the globe, including Forex conferences, affiliate conferences, marketing conferences, and investing conferences, and so on. So XM is a broker that is available almost worldwide. I don't think it's available in the US, but almost worldwide. And more importantly, that it became very popular back in the day because of the low deposit that they had. Nowadays, I know there's a bunch of brokers out there that have like different deposit methods and so on, but this broker particularly has a $5 deposit ever since it started, so it became very popular. In addition, it's a very trusted broker. But right now, let's go ahead and talk about the details in regards to it. All right, so we're gonna start talking about the trading platforms, because to me, that's one of the most important things when it comes to brokers. Now, XM does have a little downside if you're going to be trading manually, and that is because they don't have a CTrader or a TradingView trading platform. Now, I say that is a downside, especially for beginners, because if you have seen any of my previous videos in regards to different brokers, you already know that CTrader is the one that I recommend the most when it comes to beginners, due to the simplicity of choosing different lot size in order to determine what's the risk on every single pair or trade. Now, when it comes to XM, they only offer MT4, MT5 trading platform, and then different web-based trading platform. What I want you to fully understand is that if you're going to be using an auto trader or a copy trading service such as the BLW Auto Trader or the BLW Signal Script, this is incredibly useful. We're gonna talk about the account types in just a little bit, but MT4 and MT5, you can use it with the BLW Auto Trader or with the BLW Signal Script with no issues at all. Now let's go ahead and talk about the account types that we have. In order to do that, we're gonna scroll all the way down, and it says right here, trading account types, and they do have 4 different types of account. Starting off with the very minimum, which is the micro account, and they have base currency options such as USD, Euro, GBP, JPY, all of these pairs or these currencies that you have right here. One lot is equal to 1,000 on the currency that you're choosing. For instance, if it's going to be Euro against the US dollar, one lot is 1,000. That's a huge difference between all of these options that we're going to talk about in a little bit. The spread is as low as 1 pip, and the minimum deposit is $5. They do have an optional Islamic account. I'm not even 100% sure about what that is, but if you're familiar with it, then that's what they have. Now, low lot restriction per ticket is 100 lots. And this is the amount value, and the maximum open on pending orders is 300, and so on. Now, if you go to the standard account, like the major differences between all of these accounts goes to, first of all, the contract size, which is one lot is 100,000. One standard lot is 100,000 on the extra ultra low account. And you can even use a micro ultra lot, which will bring you to the micro account. You can use any of them. And the shares account, one contract size is going to be 1 share. Now, if we actually go into the second difference that I see at the most is pretty much in regards to the deposit. As you can see, the minimum deposit is $5 also in the standard account, $5 also on a micro ultra account, and $10,000 on a shares account. Obviously, this is for more professional traders, but that's actually really good. Also, the spread goes down depending on the account that you get. This one's 0.6 pips. And that's pretty much it. I mean, the difference between this and the other accounts is that you can actually choose the type of lot size that you want to use. Honestly, that's the one that I would use if I were you, since it's the exact minimum deposit. The only thing is that this doesn't allow swaps, and that's pretty much it. These are the account types that are available for every single customer that wants to open an account with XM. One thing that you need to keep in mind is that pretty much the three of these ones are the same. It's just a few differences that are available based on the currency. For instance, if you want it to be in a single currency, the share account is only in US dollar and so on. But other than that, they're pretty much the same. The leverage is 1,000. Honestly, I never go that high. But yeah, those are the types of accounts. If we actually talk about the minimum deposit, as I mentioned before, the minimum is $5 on every single one of them. But let's go ahead and talk about the methods that you have for withdrawals and deposits. If I actually go into the members area right here, this is my micro account that I had. If you guys recall, I'm using a $35 account in XM in order to grow it with a BLW out of trader. Right now it's at $40. But if you actually go, for instance, to the deposit option, you are going to be taken to this page, and this will depend on your country. But there's one little thing that I honestly like, it honestly impressed me and that I'm actually super excited about, and is this one right here. Because now they have cryptocurrencies, USDT, BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum. They have all of these options. Also, they have credit or debit cards, Netel and Skrill, Perfect Money, AstroPay, and StickPay. I don't personally have a bank wire transfer based on my locations, at least for deposits. And for withdrawals, if I actually go in withdrawal, this is one thing that concerns me a little bit, and is because my withdrawals can only go through these methods. I do have the Perfect Money account, so I don't have any problems with it. I can withdraw with it, but always like understanding that Bitcoin is one of my favorite options for withdrawals. That's just one downside in my location, but you can check out in your location as well if cryptocurrencies are available for deposits on withdrawals, or to see what options you have available in your locations as well. Now, this is a very short video, people. Is XM trusted? Honestly, in my opinion, it is. Like I said, I've used it for a while. I remember the first time I opened an account was 2015. So that brings me to 9 years. Obviously, I started using it around 2016, 17. So it brings me to 7 years. But honestly, I believe it is a good and trusted broker. You can look up for reviews online and you're going to find pretty much the same information. So I'm going to have the link to it in the description of this video, so you can check it out. You can open a free demo account and start testing the broker itself if you want to. And yeah, that was what the video was all about. Hey, so hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video, and if you did, go ahead and smash the like button to support this YouTube channel. But more importantly, if you have any questions or comments to share, you can always use the comment section below, and my team will be happy to reply to you. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.